I'm going to do a little introduction for this video because I was quiet at the beginning of it since I was in a healthcare facility. I didn't want to disturb anyone. When this video first starts, we'll be in the main lobby for the Springfield Health Center. When the video first starts, you'll be looking out the back of the lobby towards the parking lot behind the building that's on Pearl Street. And then the camera will pan. You'll see the elevator, which they just recently got repaired. And then you'll see the front entrance off of River Street, which is a pedestrian bridge that goes across the river. The camera will pan back around and we'll go through a doorway. That doorway leads to a little break area, sitting room. There's a person in there, so I'm careful not to hold the camera up and show that person's face. We kind of go through there quickly. The camera will pan left briefly to look out at the parking lot again because there's another exit door there. And then we'll go down a hallway which has Vermont Adult Learning. And then we'll turn around from there and you'll see the restrooms. And then we'll come back into that little break room area. You'll briefly see out into the back parking lot that is on Pearl Street again. And then we'll go up a stairwell. We'll look around at the top of that stairwell briefly. I don't go all the way down into the far end of the building because what's down there is more healthcare facilities. So the majority of this building is healthcare facilities. Once we come through that door, I'll pan over a little bit. That's where the elevator comes up. What you'll see on the left is all of Springfield healthcare, North Star. It's called North Star now. North Star, the clinics there. And then I'll turn around and we'll go through a glass door. That glass door enters into the gallery, or what I would consider the only retail storefronts on the property currently. So that's what this video is going to show you. After I walk down all of the retail space, I do start talking. There's some people in there when I first enter, so I just stay quiet for the most part. And then I will go inside the doors of those retail spaces. There's a couple of them that are unlocked because they're empty and you can see what's in there, which is nothing. And from there, I will take a walk back down from the building through town and show you the route that delivery trucks and semi-tractor trailers would have to take to deliver materials or any sort of product to the facility that's being proposed. They have to do it now for the facilities that are there, but since there's almost nothing there, it's not much of an issue. So anyway, hopefully this will give you an idea of what is there now if you haven't taken the opportunity to go down and look at it yourself, and give you a better idea of why it might or might not be something that the town needs. I'll leave that up to you. Enjoy the tour. So here's the mall space, the existing retail space. There's 3 storefronts. Here's our blacktop. There's nothing in here. Nothing. I don't know if the other one's open. This one clearly used to be a pharmacy, which hasn't existed for years, I think. Nothing. There's nothing in here. Why do we need more retail space? What are they going to do with all this retail space? They aren't doing anything with the current retail space. I don't get it. So that's the retail space with no businesses in it as it exists now. And here's the beer makers over there. And I want to get people in here. This is the road, the access road. See, there's no sidewalk going down to the current facility. It's just a driveway. And this is the street, which is just a residential neighborhood. I guess the road is okay. The sidewalk. Sidewalk's real bad. I don't know. So here's coming to the end of Pearl Street onto Park Street. That's the Black River Innovation Campus. And this is the way trucks would come and go. This is the truck route. You see how steep it is going up there. That's, as long as it's secured, which it's not very well secured currently. Having walked past it a couple days ago, I can tell you that there's access to get inside currently. But man, I really wish someone would renovate this. This is the hill coming down that should be the truck route for anything doing business where the health center is currently. And it's steep. And hey, at least the sidewalks are better here. Just trying to turn my phone away as cars come so I don't get people's license plates or faces on here. But it's this old building just rotting. See, there's where there's access in there. Not boarded up properly. Alright, so this is the intersection at the bottom of Park Street that trucks would have to navigate to make deliveries to any retail or commercial businesses. So you can either go down that way, go past the DMV, and come out at the intersection at Clinton Street, or you can go this way and turn at the light. doesn't seem like easy to navigate to me. Especially coming around that corner, going up that hill. I don't know.